Whoa. Here we go, Parker. Wow. Our state fair is a great state fair. Don't miss it, don't even be late. This place is huge and has everything. Entertainment, live music, rides, exhibits, everything you can imagine from the state fair. So cute.
Oh, Brian. Well, that is cool. My name is Tiny, Tiny the Tanker. I am a mobile hand wash station. You'll see me out on the fair. I'm going to be helping kids wash their hands here today at the fair. It is a no-touch system, so just wave your hands. If you got yourself a wave, rub your hands together.
Look at that child using Tiny the Tanker. Good job, little boy.
You're smiling back there.
Look, they're practicing for an acrobat show. Wow.
Oh, deep fried cheese curds.
Ooh, I'm all about deep fried cheese curds. Look, Parker, roller coaster. Oh yeah, this like food corner over here. And old Bessie. That's so weird.
These are the flavors.
Yeah, we're definitely coming back for that. This is what I'm talking about, fried cheese on a stick. We'll be getting that later. All the fried things, pickles, cheese, pretzels, peanut butter and jelly fried. Oh. Yeah, it's 3 trucks piled on each other to make a fun house. That's cool. So all this opens at 1.
Ooh, I want to do the sky ride.
Like, see this little car over here? I'm sure he can go on that.
We should definitely do the sky ride with him. He'd love that.
Claw Machine Central. Oh, they have Remy. Little German Mickey and Minnie. Oh, we definitely have to try for Bert and Ernie. Look how cute. So here's the tricky thing. You can only push the button once. Come on, Ernie. Oh. But they moved over, and then when they moved over, it doesn't do it. And now when it moves over, it'll drop it. Oh! Come on.
All right, how many goes have you got left?
2.
Oh.
I'm on the thing now. I need to go back further.
I think that was your last go.
No, I have one more.
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, it's because I picked up both. This fair is never ending. There's so much. And everything's about to open, so we're super pumped. You found the animals? There's a circus. Cool. Time to go to the circus. Cool. You ready to see the circus? poor name choice for the circus, Coronas of Hollywood. Wow! So from the circus to the camels. There they are. So we are about to go into the animal menagerie. So there's goats, alpacas, oh look, zebras, and a giraffe. Mr. Giraffe is here. Plenty of space, he's all alone. And you can feed him as well. Hello. Alpacas and llamas, hello. Hello, you two. Whoa, what do you see there?
Dog.
You trying to give him your snack? He can't have that. What do you think?
What do you think?
Whoa. You're trying to share your water with the animals? What a good boy.
It's goodbye, Zoe. And goodbye, Punky. Now, if you guys like the show enough, we'll be offering the chance of a lifetime.
So there's also a pig race station over here where they race pigs. So we're at Brick University and it's all made out of Legos. That's so cool. It's like a monorail, a bus over here. Whoa. It's so cool. It's a working roller coaster. So they're protecting themselves from that guy. Could you imagine? Galaxy's Edge, anyone? These are all made out of Legos as well. Cute. You see Goofy? And there's Stitch. One pink brick.
Lego brick in the whole picture. Can you find it?
There's the one pink. Look at the city. How cool is the city? Oh, it has the Harry Potter bus in it. Look at this city. This is crazy. Flight of the Pterodactyl, a new Jurassic Park roller coaster from the imagination of some kid. Whoa! Tap dance, baby. Parker. So we are in the Creative Living exhibit where we found the best of show winners. So all these craft winners got prizes. Look at them pants. Sweet. What's in there? Whoa. Whoa, Indiana Jones fishies. Cool. Wow. What about these? Fishy fight. Whoa. Whoa. So we had fishes and now we have plants. Look how cool. Chris, what is your level of excitement about these?
I have been waiting for these for you don't know how long.
Ribbon fries. Hot and fresh. These ribbon fries are brought to you by the finest potatoes of this box. Here's what they look like, and here's the people that enjoy them. So cold iced tea and ribbon fries. Finally. Show Parker. Parker, look what Dada has. Whoa. Whoa, what is that?
Freshly brewed iced tea.
Wow. What do you think of that? Little lunch-side entertainment. Wow. Look at this. Ready, Parker? Wow. Wow. Cracker country. Everything is 100 years old, apparently. Oh, it's like a little house on the prairie. Maybe there's an ice shed. What a cool area. Boiled peanuts. What's he doing there? Hi, country boy. Hello. Oh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Baby, it's Bok Bok. Bok Bok. This Bok Bok. Bok Bok, yes. Where are you going? Whoa. What are you doing? Oh yeah, taking a break? Yeah. Hello. If you're ever looking for Chris, he will find the dinkiest little trailer in order to get what he wants. He got his potatoes. Now it's all about cheese curds. And I'm gonna take some. What do you got?
Got cheese curds from Wisconsin.
Haha, those look really good.
Parker has.
And Parker has ice. Ice, ice, ice. Mmm.
Let's go find some cake.
And all the rides are open. Here they go. You saying hi? He's making us some ice cream. Somehow that will turn to that. Whoa, cool. I'll share a brownie with you if you want. But can it be brownie vanilla? Whoa. And can we have a brownie vanilla as well, please? Cool. That's impressive.
It is.
Yay! Good job. Let's see. Woo! Rolled ice cream. What's your honest review of the ice cream? Is it good? Is that yummy, yummy, yummy? It is time to ring a duck. Da-da-da. Oh. It bounced back up. I held one this way and I saw how it like flew and I was like, oh no, it has to go the other way.
Yeah, because the little bit,
So I got it. Chris is a big winner. Woo! Time to reset. Throw the balls. Here we go.
All ready now for everyone.
Here we go.
Toss in ball number one.
Number one.
Ball nine.
Need one more. Oh. Ah. I did not get it.
Someone's calling a nine.
Someone's got it.
Winner there. Anyone?
He got it. So we are back at the claw machine where I won this guy. Woohoo! Time to do some crazy mouse. Got our tickets. Time to ride the coaster. Alright, we're fishing for sharks. Woo! Oh, your shark is like peeing. What's going on over here? Woo! Woo! Good job. Really Alright.
No, we don't get the process for the net.
And we get an Ernie. Sorry, I knocked the frog over. Whoa, oh, I caught a frog! I caught a frog. Whoa. Thank you. Woo! I won. Parker, look what we have for you. Oh, Ernie and Bert. Ah, Bert and Ernie.
He likes the little one better.
That's his ear. Crazy house. Ew, chocolate dipped bacon. Bacon lemonade. It's bacon. Chris, would you eat bacon lemonade? Bacon wrapped chicken, bacon wrapped corn dogs. Heart attack in a booth. All done, Parker. Success. All done. Parker. We have a new throne for you.
Daddy won it for $1.
Wow. Wow, exactly. Sit here.
Sorry.
Wow. You look great. Whoa. Back from the fair with all of our prizes. Yay!
Lot more family.